Welcome to another video of The Modern Educator, because learning can be fun.
So, very quickly, what is the difference between mass and lean manufacturing? One is a push production system, very important to actually your major, and the other system is pull production. Now, a quick question. So, let me see. So on the right side I have push production and pull production. On this side I have lean manufacturing and mass manufacturing. This is developed by Toyota. This is developed by Ford. Now, which of the two is pull production and which of the two is push? Lean thinking guys, do not say anything. I have two production systems. They actually mean the same. You need to connect them. Which one is mass here and which one is lean? First of all, what is pull production? Pull production. This is something so important. If you are a supply chain management major, you have to know the difference between these two. What is the difference between push and pull production? You don't know? Okay, he's looking for some material. Okay, that is like when someone wakes you up and asks you how much is 2 plus 2, you need to know this by heart. You don't need to look for materials. What is the difference between pull and push production? Sorry? Which one is that? Okay, once again, try. Final, listen. Okay, so he says push production is first we manufacture things and then we try to sell them. Correct. Mass manufacturing is push. I make things and then I start thinking about, can I sell these products? That was Henry Ford's idea. He kept making things and hoped he would sell them. Very high inventory, large warehouses, very inefficient. Now the Japanese people say, if we keep making things, eventually, there is an economic crisis, people will stop buying. So we need to keep our products in the warehouse. That is a very big cost. So what is then pull production system? Okay, first we want to know, how many cars are you going to buy later? Then she tells me, I'm going to buy 40 cars. Then I make only 40 cars. I don't make 50 because I'm not sure what I'm going to do with the other 10 cars. This is also known as just-in-time production system, okay? And this is known as just in case. I make just in case. I make on time. This is like the alphabet for supply chain management. If you don't know this, then you are in big trouble. So, again, lean manufacturing is pull production system or just in time. Mass manufacturing is an old way, push production just in case. Someone will ask me, teacher, do we still use mass manufacturing? In some instances we do. This one I mass manufacture, it's so cheap. So easy to keep. It's small. Do I mass manufacture cars now? No. They're too expensive. So I want to make only cars that I'm certain I will sell. But Dad, when you come in year 4.
Subscribe, share and enjoy, because learning can be fun.